Hey traders, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you 6 positions that I made on 7th of March 2023 on Bitcoin 5-minute time frame based on price action. So let's get started. As you can see on the first position, we have a trend line with several touches. It is broken with this green candle. We enter the buy position, put our stop loss below that, and it gives us a reward of 5 here. On the second position, we do have a trend line here. Let me clean it that we can see better. We have a trend line which it was like this actually. When we see a shadow here, we extend it and we again extend it until we see this candle breaks out of that. We enter the sell position, put our stop loss above that, and it gives us a reward of 6 somewhere here. We could also enter sell positions on these trend lines too. On the trade 3, we have a trend line with 4 touches, 5 touches. On the 6th time it is broken here, we enter the sell position, put our stop loss somewhere safe, and it gives us a reward of 20, a fantastic reward. As you can see on the trade 4, we do have a support line here. When we go to the past of the market, we have a support line here where the price just touched it and started going up. We draw a support line like this. In the future here we can see the price reacted to that level. Let me bring that and made a small green candle like this. We can risk on it and go for buy position here, put our stop loss somewhere safe, and it gives us a reward of 3. On the trade 5, we have a trend line with 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touches. On the 4th time it is broken here, we enter the sell position, put our stop loss somewhere safe or even here, and it gives us a reward of 5.4. On the trade 6, we have a trend line with several touches. It is broken with this green candle. We enter the buy position, put our stop loss below that, and it gives us a reward of 2.2. Thanks for watching this video. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.